Our plans were, he was going to retire 6 years before I did, and we were going to sell our homes and full-time motorhome. He loved motorhoming. We both loved it.
Jim and Marilyn McConnell had looked forward to the places they would travel to when they retired, and it looked like everything was working out according to their plans until Jim was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease 2 months after his retirement.
And so we tried for a few years to go ahead because we bought an RV that was one that we were going to use. But he had a lot of stress. He was beginning to have internal tremors and things like that, and we had a lot invested. So we decided that we would sell that.
But this would not stop Jim and Marilyn from traveling. Retiring from her full-time job, Marilyn began a consulting career which gave them more opportunities to travel.
I needed to retire because he needed more care. But we could still manage, and as a consultant I could work so many days and travel and take him with me. And then it got to the point where I couldn't leave him alone in the hotel room anymore. This is my full-time job now, and I'm just so happy I have him. And mostly I always took pride in my work and whatever I was doing, and now I have a full-time commitment to doing the best, seeing to it that he gets the care, and I get satisfied with trying to do the best job I can do with that. When you're married and you really love somebody, it isn't the one person that gets the disease. We've got the disease.
Over the years, Jim's condition continued to slowly decline. Eventually, he needed clinical help and assistance that Marilyn needed training to do. With one phone call to the VNAIC's Palm Desert branch, a nurse, a speech therapist, and a home health aide were sent to Jim and Marilyn's house.
I so appreciated them. I mean, my gosh, they were marvelous as far as teaching me stuff and showing me how to do it and complimenting me when I was doing a good job. And that was kind of nice to be reaffirmed, because you never feel like you're doing enough. You know, you think of the things that you didn't get accomplished that day or what else you should add. I was so eager to learn everything that they wanted to teach me, to show me how I could make his life better and easier, and every one of them added so much stuff. And it was, you know, I was just really excited to learn all the things I could do to try to make his life better, because as it's getting worse, I've got to learn more, you know, to do more for him, to take care of him, to make something halfway pleasant for him.
Marilyn is an inspiration to all those around her due to her positive attitude and selfless love for Jim. Though caring for Jim's needs can be a challenge, don't be surprised if you see them out and about in the Palm Desert area.
We still try to get out. I try to get him out at least once a week, sometimes twice. We go to the grocery store. We do stuff, and you either make every day count for something and enjoy it, or you've wasted it. So no use wasting it.